Hello dear children. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is synthetic fibers and plastics, for class 8. In class 7 we have, in which we discussed about different types of fibers. Now in class 8 we will study only about synthetic fibers and plastics. So if I talk about synthetic fibers, so synthetic fibers, we know that we wear clothes made up of different type of fabrics. A fiber is a strong and flexible thread like material which is used to make fabric. Fibers are also used to make several household items like ropes and nets. There are two kinds of fibers. One is synthetic, one is natural. Natural fibers which can be obtained from plants and animals like cotton fiber, jute fiber, linen, right? These are plant fiber. And animal fiber we have studied wool and silk. Synthetic fibers which are obtained from different chemical processes in the industries are known as human-made fibers or synthetic fibers. For example, petrochemicals, rayon, nylon, terylene. We are going to study about these. So in natural fiber, we know that it's a thin thread of natural or artificial substance. One that is used to make cloth or rope. So these are natural fibers which we have already studied in class 7. Cotton plant, silk from silkworm, wool from sheep, hair fibers from rabbits and goats, linen from the flax plant. These are the plant fibers which I was talking about. Cotton, linen. Fabric, it is obtained from the flax plant. Always remember, right? What kind of fiber we obtain from flax plant, that is linen. It is just very much similar to cotton fabric. Then jute. These are animal fibers. Yak fiber, we discussed in class 7. Synthetic fiber. We know that these are man-made fibers. These are made from different chemicals. We know that. Synthetic fibers are more in length and are long lasting. The only limitation in synthetic fiber is that they are poor absorption of moisture and they catch fire easily. That is the major disadvantage of synthetic fiber. That is why we are always advised not to wear synthetic clothes while working in the kitchen, right? Or during the Lodi celebration or on the Diwali. We should not wear, we should avoid wearing of synthetic fibers. So many items of clothing contain materials such as polyester, polyamide, terylene, rayon, etc. So items previously mentioned are all man-made fibers because all are made by man. Now synthetic fibers are made up of small chain units. These small units are known as monomers. Mono means single. Mer means unit. This, we can split this into two words. Mono plus mer. Mono means single, mer means unit. And when these monomers are combined, then they form the polymer. Poly means many, mer means unit. And this process, when we are combining small monomers to form large polymer, that is called polymerization. Then we have the next one. First synthetic fiber we are going to discuss, that is rayon. It is a synthetic fiber prepared from wood pulp. The wood pulp is dissolved in an alkaline solution and then passed through tiny pores to convert them into fibers. They are passed through sulfuric acid to make them hard. These fibers are spun into yarn and then woven into fabric. It resembles like a silk. That's why it is also known as artificial silk. It is also known as regenerated fiber because it is reformed from original cellulose fiber. That's why it's regenerated fiber. Always remember which synthetic fiber is known as regenerated fiber, that is rayon. These are the properties of rayon. Easily dyed and woven into cloth, drapes well, good absorbent of sweat, lustrous in appearance. Next we have the uses of rayon. Mixed with fiberglass for making helmets. Used to make jackets and tracksuits. Surgical dressings. It is soft, silky and moisture absorbent. That's why it is used in dress material. Curtains because it drapes well. Upholstery for luxury cars and office and homes. Reinforcing nylon tires. Next synthetic fiber we have nylon. It is the first fully synthetic fiber made by humans. Chemical, it is polyamide, a polymer. Strongest synthetic plastic material which can be molded to any shape. It is strong and easy to dye. Nylon fibers do not absorb water easily. It is elastic in nature and hence highly durable. Highly durable. It is derived its name from its first letters of New York and first three letters of London, and the two cities where it was simultaneously developed and marketed, that is New York, London. N from New, Y from York, LON from London. It is very strong, lustrous, high elastic, extremely fine, lightweight, easy to wash, wrinkle free, do not absorb water, and is not attacked by fungi, moths, etc. It remains insoluble in most of the common solvents. So many features. So now you can imagine how much good it will be. Properties of nylon: high tensile strength, slightly water absorbent, dries quickly, toughest elastic material, is lustrous and easy to wash, can be made into pellets or powdered, resist oil, grease, moths, fungus and these other pests. It can be molded into fibers, bristles, sheets, rods, tubes and coatings. So these are the properties of nylon. And remember, it is the strongest fiber, synthetic fiber. Uses: ropes, upholstery, seat belts, stretchable wears. So why ropes are made up of nylon? Even rope climbing, the mountaineers carry these nylon ropes because they are very strong. Right? Even we can say that these are stronger than steel. We can compare it. Right? Due to its high strength. That much strong it is. Seat belts, stretchable wears, swimming wears, swimming costumes we wear, sleeping bags, reel thread, track suits. So these all are made up of nylon. Next we have polyester. It is a polymer made up of the repeating units of chemical called an ester. Esters are the chemicals which give fruity smell. We will study about esters in class 10, Terylene, terine, dacron are some examples of polyester fiber. Terylene form terrycoat with cotton and terrywool with wool. Polyester can be drawn into very fine fibers which can be woven like any other yarn. Polyester is light, strong, elastic, absorbs little amount of water, dries quickly after washing and is wrinkle free. So these are the properties. Dries quickly, tough, lightweight and elastic, which I have already discussed with you. Now some uses. Making magnetic audio and video cassettes and floppy disks. Highly suitable for shirting, suiting, saris and draperies. Mixed with fiberglass for molding it into helmets, protective sheets and hulls in boats. So these are the properties of polyester. Acrylic we will discuss in the next lecture. Thank you so much.